Welcome to my reality Jeep life with me, the Vermont Jeep Girl, and this is my daily vlog of 2013. Back at Project Red Tub. What I'm working on today is I have a broken bolt that was on the hood hinge when I took it off. I've tried a couple different things to try to get this broken bolt out, such as I put coil down there. I've tried the vice grips to get a good grip on. I can't get a total good grip on here. What I'm going to be doing today on plan B is I'm going to take this 5/16 18th nut and I'm going to be screwing it on this bolt. And yeah, are the threads stripped? Yeah, they probably are. But that's okay. As long as I can get it on here as tight as I possibly can. There's some room in the top here, and this is what I'm going to be doing. K-Man and my little guy got me an early Mother's Day present. Well, that's right. I got a Flux Core Welder, which I have connected, and I have been playing with, and I have an idea. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nut and a bolt, like you see here, which I've already done, and I've taken the welder, and I've put the bolt down to approximately to where this size is here, and I've welded the inside of this nut. So what's going to happen is now that I've practiced this, I'm going to do this on this nut, so that when it cools off with the heat of the welder, and after it cools off, the ultimate goal will be to come over here and be able to back this broken bolt out. That's the ultimate goal. So keep your fingers crossed. What I'm going to do right now is I have my bolt and my nut set up to the depth of approximately what the other one is over here. And what I got is I got my ground hooked up to my channel locks here for my ground. I've got my welder, and I'm going to start and practice on this one before I actually go and do the one that I have to do. I've been learning on stick welding. I have done a few passes over here just seeing what it feels like. So this is all new to me, and just remember, be gentle. I am a newbie when it comes to welding. Alright. Plan B, here I come. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to let this cool off. I have a little pot of water over there. I'm going to go stick it in the water. Right now it's very, very hot. You don't want to touch it. Okay, I have just spent the past couple hours practicing welding the nut to the bolt. And I think I finally got it to stay on. It's taken some time, but that's what it is. It's practice. Keep practicing. I've just practiced on about 20 nuts and bolts to try to get that nut welded to that bolt so that when I put it under pressure, it doesn't come apart. Well, it took 20 times, and the last 3 are pretty solid. They're pretty ugly, but they're functional. So, what I'm going to do right now is I need a ground in order to weld this nut onto our broken bolt. So what I did was I cleaned this one up and I stuck the nut in with a washer, and I'm going to hook my ground here. I know that this is a good clean ground, so I'm pretty good here. And now, with no pressure, a good nerves, I'm going to try to weld this nut to my broken bolt. Sure, it's turning. Okay, this is my third attempt. I think what I'm going to do this time, since the other two failed, I'm going to try to let it cool a little bit, and maybe it'll cling onto the threads. Almighty nut. Almighty nut. Almighty nut welded to the broken bolt. Please. No. Alright, you little bastard. It's me and you. Okay, sometimes plan B don't work either, so you have to go to plan C. And what plan C is the part of the threads that were sticking out underneath the cowl. We just welded on a nut. And I'm going to try to put coil in the top, and I'm going to try to pull it down underneath, since the attempt of welding the nut on top was not working. Hot. Alrighty then. I don't know if you can see this or not. But here is the threads that were sticking out on the top, and I couldn't get the nut to go on there. So as you can see, I welded the nut to the bottom and plied it with coil, and I'm able to get the broken bolt out. Yes, it took a while, and yes, I practiced with my welder, but it's a good day. Thanks for joining me today, and have a good night. One piece, one part at a time. I should make a necklace.